Coming into this program with Shweta, we saw a lot of red flags when it came to our daughter. She couldn't spell very, very, very poorly. Like she could spell very few words. She's 10, and we kind of thought we need to look at something a bit deeper. Perhaps there's some foundations missing. So we had heard of the Davis Dyslexia program and contacted Shweta. And what we were looking at the beginning of the week was not just an improvement in spelling. That was pretty minimal. But what we were hoping to get out of the week is our daughter coming out more confident in recognizing that she can do things, that she has great value, and that she is made for great purposes, and she's got talents and gifts that she can share. And now by the end of the week, so much more has actually come out of it. Not only is she bursting with excitement, being able to spell and showing off that talent to her brothers, but she's approaching things with a confidence that we had just dreamed that she would have, and that she's recognized sort of the beauty that she is, and it's been a wonderful week. Much greater, exceeded our expectations greatly, for sure.